quick break in the video to let you know that we have Old Guy Outdoors stickers available, and we would like to send you one. If you send me your mailing address to my email address in the description, oldguyoutdoors9@gmail.com, we will send you a sticker. All right, let's get on with the show. Come here. Come here. I got a good float, good drift. Nobody's even looking at it. Yeah, don't know. I know they're in here, I saw them. There we go. Oh, he went for it, but I missed him. I've got a little bit of attention paid to it, but not as much as I'd hoped. Oh, God, missed him again. I don't know if they're missing it or if I'm missing them. They might be just striking at it and not, I don't know. There, we got him. There, we got him. Nice fish. Oh yeah, that's a nice one. Oh boy, look at you. Look at you. Oh boy. That's a nice trout. Yes, sir. Look at you. All right, buddy. Wow. Beautiful colors. All right, you get to go back in the water. Uh-oh. Oh, no. Come on. There you go. See ya. Got him. Finally got him. Woohoo! I don't know if they were missing it or if I was just not setting it quick enough, or don't know. But I'm going to put a little, caught him on this one here. I'm going to put a little drying agent on it because it's wet, wet, wet. There we go. Yeah, baby. Got one on the dry fly. These are nice looking trout up here. They're all healthy. All the fins are intact. Yeah, nice trout. Okay, get back in the water, baby. There you go. There we go. Hungry little trouts. There we go. There you go, buddy. There we go. Yeah, baby. Hey, before we go any further with this video, please do me a big favor. Share our videos, thumbs up, and subscribe and hit that bell notification. Here we go. There we go. Look at that pretty one. Isn't he pretty? Oh, nice. There you go, buddy. There we go. Oh! There we go.